The cap assembly consists of a vented cap, the O-ring seal, and a cap retainer. There are a few problems that can be caused by the fuel cap. Leaking gas could be caused by a cracked or missing O-ring, or if the cap itself is cracked. If your engine runs for 10 or so minutes and then dies and won't restart until it has sat for a while, you might have a bad cap vent. The vent allows air back into the fuel tank as the fuel level drops. If air can't get in, a vacuum forms and the fuel will stop flowing to the carburetor. Replacing the cap assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old fuel cap assembly from the tank. I'll unscrew the cap and then pull the lanyard away from the tank. Now I can install the new cap assembly. I'll squeeze the two legs of the lanyard together so I can insert them into the tank. I'll slide the lanyard into the tank and then secure the cap back in place. And that's how easy it is to replace the cap assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.